One last statement: safeguard yourself from becoming positive, okay? And if you're positive, don't allow that to spread to others, okay? Namaskara, namaskara, namaskara. Ellarigu namaskaralu. This is Ashish Matthew. Welcome to another vlog, okay? I hope all you guys are safe and secure, okay? So I've just jotted down the interstate travel rules for all the 31 states. Okay, it took some time. It was a little monotonous. I just made a note of all the 31 states. What are the interstate rules? Okay, so please do support me. Here is the video for you guys. All right, so let's start with West Bengal as the first state. Okay, state number 1, West Bengal. RT-PCR mandatory for all the people who are traveling from Delhi, UP, MP. Then you have the Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, and Telangana, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra. Okay, make sure that the RT-PCR is not older than 72 hours, and no specific quarantine rules for the West Bengal. Okay, so any travelers coming to West Bengal. Now state number 2 is UP. People traveling from Maharashtra and Kerala definitely require RT-PCR test which is not older than 72 hours. Okay, and it is also bifurcated into 2 parts. Lucknow, people who are traveling to Lucknow, okay, individually, all the states are required to have the RT-PCR test. There might be a checking there. Varanasi, only Kerala and Maharashtra travelers are supposed to have the RT-PCR. Quarantine, it is 14 days of home quarantine for all the people who are traveling from Maharashtra and Kerala, and the other guys can have 7 days of home quarantine. And if you're actually traveling or leaving exiting the state within 7 days, no need of any kind of a quarantine. And coming to state number 3, Uttarakhand, all the states who are entering Uttarakhand are supposed to have the RT-PCR test not older than 72 hours, and there is no specific quarantine rules. State number 4, Tripura. Okay, all the states who are entering to Tripura are supposed to have the RT-PCR. There are no specific quarantine rules here. Number 5, Telangana. All the states entering Telangana are supposed to have the RT-PCR test. No quarantine rules specifically. Number 6, okay, Tamil Nadu. You need a specific e-pass which you get it from the Tamil Nadu e-pass portal. I'm just mentioning that on the screen. You need to have this particular pass, as RT-PCR is not very much mandatory for the traveler who are entering Tamil Nadu. But if you're traveling through Coimbatore, okay, so there are people checking for RT-PCR test, specifically people who are traveling from Maharashtra and Kerala. So make sure that you have the RT-PCR if you're actually going through Coimbatore, and also 7 days of home quarantine mandatory for the people who are traveling from Maharashtra and Kerala. And state number 7, Rajasthan. You need to have the RT-PCR test when you're traveling from all the states to Rajasthan, okay, and there is no specific quarantine rule. Punjab, number 8, okay, you need to have the RT-PCR test from all the states entering Punjab. If you don't have, there will be a rapid antigen test which is done. There won't be any kind of a quarantine rule. Number 9, Odisha. Okay, people who are traveling from all the states are supposed to have the RT-PCR test, especially from West Bengal. You need to have an RT-PCR, and the quarantine rules, 7 days of quarantine for the people who have entered from West Bengal. And number 10, Nagaland. All the states who are traveling to Nagaland are supposed to have the RT-PCR test not older than 72 hours, and okay, 7 days of quarantine for everyone entering Nagaland. Mizoram, number 11, okay, you need to have the e-pass from the Mizoram portal. I'm just mentioning that on the screen, and also you need to have the RT-PCR test mandatory for all the states who are entering the Mizoram. If suppose you don't have, you will be done with the rapid antigen test, and 7 days of home quarantine mandatory for anyone. There is a specific rule in Mizoram here. After the 7 days of home quarantine, you will have to do an RT-PCR test to prove that you're negative. 12 state, that is Meghalaya. People who are traveling from all the states to Meghalaya are supposed to have the RT-PCR test mandatory, okay, but they have mentioned some specific states as well. Maharashtra, Kerala, Karnataka by default. You have Delhi, UP, Bihar, West Bengal, okay. All these states mandatorily have your RT-PCR test. No specific quarantine rule as such. 13, okay, Maharashtra. People who are traveling from Delhi, Kerala, Gujarat, Goa and Rajasthan are supposed to have the RT-PCR test mandatorily, and there are no specific quarantine rules in Maharashtra. And number 14, Manipur. All the people who are traveling to Manipur from any state, okay, are supposed to have the RT-PCR test mandatory. They have also mentioned an COVID helpline number, okay, and that is 1800-345-3818. Number 15, okay, Madhya Pradesh. People who are traveling from Maharashtra to Madhya Pradesh are supposed to have the RT-PCR test which is not older than 48 hours, okay, and there are no specific quarantine rules. Number 16, that is Ladakh, okay. All the travelers who are traveling to Ladakh are supposed to have the RT-PCR test which is not older than 96 hours, okay, and you need to have a quarantine of 7 days which is mandatory home quarantine. State number 17, that is Kerala. You have to have an e-pass, that is Jagrata Pass. I'm just mentioning the URL on the screen, okay, and mandatory RT-PCR test required for anyone and everyone to enter Kerala, okay. And if you don't have it, make sure that you go through a 14 days of home quarantine, okay. And that is the major rules which have been announced from Kerala. Any kind of a short visit, you wouldn't have to need any kind of an RT-PCR test. Coming to my state, that is state number 18, okay. Anyone who are traveling from Maharashtra, Kerala, Chandigarh and Punjab are supposed to have the RT-PCR test mandatory, and there are no specific quarantine rules in Karnataka as such. Any kind of a short visit within 48 hours, if you're planning to go out, you wouldn't need any RT-PCR, and also for the transit travelers, no need of RT-PCR test. Number 19, Jharkhand. All the people who are traveling to Jharkhand are supposed to have the RT-PCR test not older than 72 hours, and also there are no specific quarantine rules. 20, Jammu Kashmir. All the travelers entering Jammu Kashmir are supposed to have the RT-PCR test except the defense officials, okay, and there are no specific quarantine rules as such. 21, HP, Himachal Pradesh, okay, no RT-PCR test required, and also there are no quarantine rules mentioned, okay. I don't know, it can change anytime. Again, there are no specific RT-PCR test rules and also no quarantine rules specified here, okay. Any new update comes up, I will definitely make sure it comes on my channel. Number 23, Gujarat. All the travelers who are entering to Gujarat are supposed to have the RT-PCR test, and also kids who are below 12 years are not supposed to have the RT-PCR. It's not mandatory for them to have the RT-PCR test. Specific quarantine rules which are mentioned, but if you are positive, definitely 14 days of home quarantine. Number 24, Goa. No specific RT-PCR or no specific home quarantine rules which have been mentioned. 25, in Delhi. All the travelers who are traveling from Maharashtra to Delhi are supposed to have the RT-PCR test, and also people who are traveling from Maharashtra are supposed to have 14 days of home quarantine. No other specific states have been mentioned here. 6, Chhattisgarh. All the travelers to Chhattisgarh are supposed to have the RT-PCR test. Below 12 years is not supposed to have or not mandatory to have an RT-PCR test. 27, Chandigarh. No need of any kind of an RT-PCR test or no specific quarantine rules. 8, that is Bihar. People who are traveling from Maharashtra, Kerala and Punjab are supposed to have the RT-PCR test not older than 72 hours, and also you will have a 14 days of quarantine if you're traveling from these states. And for the people who are entering Gaya, okay, including these states, there would be Delhi also included. So 4 states, okay, that is Delhi, Maharashtra, Kerala and Punjab. Mandatory RT-PCR test. 29, Assam. All the people who are entering to Assam are supposed to have the RT-PCR test, and you will have a 7 days of home quarantine mandatory for anyone entering Assam. Number 30, AP, Andhra Pradesh. There are no specific RT-PCR rules which are mentioned there, and also no specific quarantine rules. Any new update comes up, I will just definitely make sure that it comes on the screen. And also, if you guys have any knowledge on that, please mention that on the comment box. And coming to the last one, that is number 31, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. People who are traveling from all the states are supposed to have the RT-PCR test, which is not older than 48 hours, and 7 days of home quarantine, which is mandatory. Those were the interstate travel for all the 31 states in India, okay. It was a little difficult, it was not easy, okay. I need to just make a note of all. It took some time for me, so I need all your support, okay. I thought this will be really helpful for the people who are traveling to all the states, okay. So please do subscribe to my channel and also share this particular video to all. It will be really helpful. Any changes needed, please put it to the comment box, or if you are aware of any state rules which have changed, okay, please mention that in the comment box. I will just definitely make an update, and also anything changes in the coming days, I would make another video for that as well. So guys, please stay safe. It's not an easy time for all of us, okay. I guess almost 4 to 5 close family friends of mine have actually lost their life. It is never an easy time. It has been pathetic, okay. So please don't go out. Any emergency, go out. If not, stay at home itself. Wear a double mask, okay. It's not single mask, wear a double mask. I'm not assuring that you will be safe, but then too we can, use our own precautions. So please guys, it's not an easy task. Probably for the next 30-40 days we need to have this kind of a restriction on ourselves, so that we can safeguard ourselves. One last statement: safeguard yourself from becoming positive, okay. And if you're positive, don't allow that to spread to others, okay. So it is all in your hand, okay. So thank you so much. That's all from my side. Please be protected, have your sanitizers, wear double mask. Jai Karnataka Mate, Jai Hind, take care, bye bye, see you.